Hello, I'm Clinton. Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Clinton. We're in Skagway, Alaska, the northernmost point in Alaska's Inside Passage. In this episode, we'll be exploring the White Pass and Yukon Railroad and trying a Klondike Doughboy. The White Pass and Yukon route was designated an International Historic Civil Engineering Landmark in 1994. This is an honor shared by only 36 other engineering marvels, such as the Eiffel Tower and the Panama Canal. The White Pass and Yukon route climbs from sea level in Skagway to 2,888 feet, or 880 meters, at the White Pass summit. We entered British Columbia and turned back for Skagway. Now we're at Klondike Doughboy, a pastry shop famous for its fried doughboys. Time to head back on the ship. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a video on Ketchikan, Alaska. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. I'll see you in the next video.